Welcome again, every viewers worldwide. Coach Jack always like to do him exercise walk. Walking in the city among beautiful nature. We can walk slow. I couldn't see the nice plants them. Walk slow, get it right. Welcome to my channel wherever you are viewing from. You have to be careful, don't let this thing drop. That's me. Look at all these rocks. Beautiful view down in the city. Welcome world, welcome to my channel. Look at all these beautiful bougainvilleas here. See how beautiful they are, my viewers. Koja country lifestyle showcasing beautiful Jamaica, beautiful plants. Just walking with nature, walking among nature, my viewers. Fan love, walking among nature. The hills, St. Andrew, Jamaica, lots of birds making sounds. Nice tree. See, thanks everyone for watching.